Broadcrown, a world-leading independent power generation systems company. A global company that since 1976 has built a worldwide reputation for delivering power systems that provide electric power for multi-megawatt power stations, cities, offices and businesses, utilities, entertainment, communications and the internet, transport, manufacturing, construction, irrigation, mining and extraction, research, airports, medical, offshore and marine industries across the globe. With 2 dedicated manufacturing centres in the UK, Broadcrown provides all the products, services and processes in-house to design, build, install and maintain a wide variety of power generation systems, whether it's a standalone generator for a small business or a complete turnkey power plant. This capability has been developed over many years of working closely with customers and designing solutions to meet their exacting financial, operational and power needs. All aspects of packages are designed and manufactured using the latest production techniques. From basic processes such as plasma cutting components and welding base frames, to selecting and incorporating leading brands of alternators and engines that match the exact requirements of the specific application and duty cycle. Comprehensive and technically advanced control systems that not only ensure ease of operation, but also, where appropriate, provide for remote monitoring and control. Whether a small 10 kVA set or a custom-built 3 megawatt set, all units and processes are subject to the same strict quality control procedures, and packages are tested under simulated operating conditions. Customers are welcome to witness final testing. Broadcrown has a dedicated logistics department to organize exports and shipping around the world. And Broadcrown site engineers are on hand to supervise all aspects of installation, commissioning and site testing, wherever it may be. At every location, with every installation, Broadcrown provides the highest levels of attention to detail and customer support. All power packages and installations carry worldwide warranties. With regional offices in Australia, the USA, Libya, China, India, Singapore, West Africa, South Africa, Namibia, and the UK, together with dealers in many worldwide territories, Broadcrown has a global network that employs local staff to provide technical advice and support to clients and customers. Regional offices undertake technical assessments, manage installations, and together with dealers provide servicing and maintenance, hold parts, and where appropriate, stocks of standard generating sets. These regional offices and dealers bring together Broadcrown's global expertise with local understanding to provide comprehensive, integrated support. This approach is why Broadcrown is successful in so many countries and is able to offer solutions in many sectors such as gas and cogeneration, black start power station applications, waste to energy, oil and gas, standard products, and marine applications, providing complete installations and multi-megawatt power stations anywhere in the world. As power demands continue to increase across the world, Broadcrown leads the industry by providing effective, sustainable power packages and services that are competitive, tough, and reliable. Packages that make Broadcrown the worldwide supplier of choice for international corporations and governments that demand quality, reliability, and efficiency without compromise.